Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our fifth question. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 numbers are there. This is the figure. And these are equally likely outcomes. So what is the probability that it will point a 8, an odd number, a number greater than 2, a number less than 9? So we need to find what is the probability. So what is the sample space? What are the possible outcomes? Let's go into write possible outcomes. Possible outcomes are, what is that set of possible outcomes? Let's go into write. So set of possible outcomes, that is sample space capital S. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are there. So that is the sample space. So what is our first one? 8. So what is the probability that getting 8? So let's going to take, what is that? So let A denote the event that arrow points at 8. Arrow points at 8. So what is that? 8. Only one. So what is the set? 8. So what is the set element? 8. So number of numbers which points the only one. So n of a. So how many numbers are there? N of a is 1. Then n of s, let's going to take how many? 8. So number of elements which set consist. Possible outcomes. So what is the probability? Probability of points 8. Probability of getting points 8. Arrow points 8. So probability P of A will be equal to n of A by n of S. So n of A is equals to 1. Then n of S is 8. So 1 by 8. The probability of getting 8 is 1 by 8. Why? Because only one number. So by number of outcomes are 8. Then what is the second one? So second one is an odd number. So let, what you can take, let be event. So what you can say, event that arrow points an odd number. Arrow points an odd number. So let's going to take, what is the set? B set. Odd number means 1. So 3, 5, 7. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So how many number of elements are there here? So n of B will be equal to 4. Then what is the probability? So probability of getting odd number. So probability of points, probability of an arrow points odd number. Points odd number. So what is that? Odd number. So here let's going to take the probability of P of B getting, that is n of B by then n of S. So n of B is equals to what? How many numbers? 4 by 8. 4 ones are, then 4 twos are, that is 1 by 2. We will get it as 0.5 is the probability. So this is the way to find. So probability of this 0.8. Then what is our third one? Third one is a number greater than 2. So what you can write, let C event that arrow points the number greater than 2. Points the number greater than 2. So what is that? Let's going to take, this is the C. Number greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's going to write all the elements. Number greater 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many number of elements in the C? 6 elements. So what are that? 6 elements. So probability, so let's going to write probability of getting, so directly I am writing the probability of getting points arrow that number greater than 2. So n of c by n of s. So n of c is equals to what? 6 by n of s is what? 8. So 2 3s are 2 4s are. That is 3 by 4. What is that? 3 by 4. Next one, fourth one. A number less than 9. So let D event that an arrow points a number less than 9. So points a number less than 9. So less than 9. So D is a set of number less than 9 means all the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are all the elements, the numbers which are less than 9. So number of elements in that 8. Then probability of getting number less than 9 is n of D by sample space n of s. So n of D is 8, n of s is 8 ones are 8 ones are. So 1 is the probability. So this is the way to find the probability of getting certain event. So this is certain event, compulsory event. So 9 is the certain event. This is the way to find the thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family.